Okay, well, this is the 1953 Leica IIf with it all looks nice, very good condition, nice Leitz Elmar lens, but it has some issue, of course, because it's from 1953, so it's 69. So the curtain still looks good, but if we, so this is 1/100th of a second. It looks dark, but so what happens is there he goes. It's like the curtain goes open, there's a pause, and then it slowly closes. So I rewind it, and it's very difficult to see on video, I'm not sure. Opens, close, and then unless I touch this, see it's slowly moving backwards. So the shutter is not actually, it should go back immediately. And the slower the speed, the worse the problem. So if we go to 1/50th here, 1/50th of a second, click, moving, back, and so it just looks like it's stuck.